Today we have a surprising update from the world of hockey. Reports and online discussions are claiming that Steve Yzerman has abruptly stepped down as general manager of the Detroit Red Wings. This news has quickly caught attention of hockey fans because Yzerman has been one of the most respected figures in the NHL for many years. But what exactly happened? Is the news officially confirmed? What could it mean for the future of the Detroit Red Wings? And how are fans reacting? Now let's understand why this story is making headlines and what we know so far. Steve Yzerman is much more than just a hockey executive. He is considered one of the greatest players in Detroit Red Wings history. During his playing career, he spent his entire NHL career with the Red Wings, served as team captain for many years, and helped the franchise with 3 Stanley Cup championships. Because of his incredible leadership on the ice, he became one of the most beloved sports figures in Detroit. After retiring as a player, Yzerman continued his hockey career in management. He became general manager of the Tampa Bay Lightning, where he built one of the strongest teams in the league. Many of the players he drafted and developed later helped Tampa Bay win Stanley Cups. 2019, Yzerman returned home to Detroit as the general manager of the Red Wings. Fans were excited because they believed their legendary captain could rebuild the team and bring it back to championship level. When Yzerman took over, the Red Wings were in difficult position. The team had missed the playoffs and needed a complete rebuild. Instead of looking for quick success, Yzerman focused on building for the future. He drafted young talented players, made smart trades, signed experienced veterans, improved the team's prospect system, and gave young players time to develop. His rebuilding plan required patience. Over the last several seasons, many experts believed Detroit was moving in the right direction, even though playoff success had not yet fully arrived. Recently, reports and social media posts began spreading that Steve Yzerman has suddenly stepped down as general manager. Because Yzerman has been the face of Detroit's rebuilding project, this immediately became one of the biggest hockey stories. Fans started asking many questions. Why did he leave? Was it his own decision? Was there a disagreement inside the organization? Is there a health reason? Or is this simply a rumor? At the time many people first saw the reports, there was no detailed official explanation available publicly. Whenever news like this appear, it is important to wait for official confirmation, instead of relying only on social media discussions. Sometimes early reports change after teams release official statements. If the reports are confirmed, it would mark the end of an important chapter of the Detroit Red Wings. During his time as general manager, Yzerman made several major decisions that shaped the team's future. He selected promising young players through the NHL draft. He focused on improving the team's defensive structure. He avoided making risky long-term decisions that could hurt the rebuild. He also remained patient while other teams around the league made aggressive moves. Many fans respected that approach because rebuilding a professional sports team often takes several years. Some fans believe the Red Wings are now much more closer to becoming regular playoff contenders than they were when Yzerman first arrived. If Yzerman is no longer leading the front office, the next big question becomes who could replace him. Finding a general manager is never easy. The new executive would need to understand the current rebuilding plan, work closely with coaches, evaluate players, manage contracts, and make important decisions about the future drafts and trades. Changing leadership during an important rebuilding stage can affect a team's direction. That is why many hockey analysts are watching the situation very closely. The reaction from fans have been emotional. Many Detroit supporters have thanked Yzerman for his hard work and dedication. Others are simply surprised because they expected him to continue leading the franchise for several more years. Some fans are worried about whether the rebuilding process will continue smoothly. Others believe the foundation Yzerman created is already strong enough for the team to keep improving. Across social media, hockey fans have been sharing memories from Yzerman's legendary playing career, as well as his work as an executive. His connection with Detroit goes far beyond wins and losses. For many people, Steve Yzerman represents loyalty, leadership, and professionalism. His impact on the organization will likely be remembered regardless of what happens next. If the leadership change becomes official, attention will quickly turn toward the Red Wings' upcoming off-season plans. Important decisions regarding player contracts, trades, free agency, and the NHL draft could all be affected depending on who takes charge. Fans will also be watching closely to see whether the team's overall rebuilding strategy stays the same or begins moving in a different direction. For now, the biggest thing fans should do is follow official announcements from the Detroit Red Wings and the NHL rather than believing every rumor shared online. Sports news often develops quickly, and accurate information is always the most important. No matter what happens next, Steve Yzerman's legacy with the Detroit Red Wings is already secure. As a player, he became one of the greatest captains in franchise history. As the general manager, he worked to rebuild the organization with patience and long-term planning. Whether this is truly the end of his front office role or simply part of the evolving story, his contribution to Detroit hockey remains significant. In my opinion, Steve Yzerman has earned tremendous respect for everything he has done for the Detroit Red Wings, both as a player and as a general manager. Whatever the future holds, I hope the team continues building on the foundation that has been created. What do you think about this surprising story? Do you think Steve Yzerman's step down would change the future of the Detroit Red Wings? Share your thoughts in the comments below.